I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm throwing this swim bait that I had tied on in my last video. We're just going to cast it out and slow roll it back to us. Let it sink just a little bit and slow roll it, slow roll it. Slower the better almost. Just want to make sure the tail's paddling. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to this point here. I'm going to flip this jig into the trees and the bushes underwater. I normally do pretty good on it right here, so we'll see. Oh, you let it go. Did you see that? That's crazy, guys. I'm freaking lost. That's okay. Cast back. So here I tied on a jig, orange and brown. I'm gonna find the trailer for it. It's actually back here in the boat. And for the trailer on this thing, we're gonna go with a Rage tail made by Strike King, watermelon flake. All right, there it is. Let's sling this thing out there and see if we can't get bit. What I like to do when I'm fishing a jig is fish it really slow. If you're moving it more than 3 inches off the bottom, you're screwing up. Only because the fish will sit there and stare at it for a minute before they bite it. And I missed him. He tore up my grub, but that's okay. We'll get back in it. I think this pole is down for the day. We ain't getting that one out. But that's okay, I got more.